It looks like this is the rainy season. As far as I know, the rain ends in early November. You'll definitely want to bring your galoshes if you visit at this time of year. And if you forget your raincoat, 7-Eleven has got you covered. I heard they are closing a whack of 7-Elevens in the US. You'd never get away with that here. Thai people sure love their 7-Elevens. Anyhow, it can get quite wet in the rainy season. The drainage is a little different from our Western style. It seems a bit slower, and it can get backed up a fair bit. When it rains here, it's more like dumping water from the sky than it is like the sprinkly rain you may be used to. You could be up to your galoshes on some of these streets. But don't fear, it doesn't last long. Many days, it will pour down like a mofo for an hour, then everything will be bone dry an hour later. After all, the sun can be quite powerful when we get near the equator. It'll boil my Euro skin in no time if I'm not careful. And, by the way, did you know the Thai people call 7-Eleven 7? They drop the 11. That's Thai math. And they pronounce the V as a W, Suin. I assume the name was originally based on their hours of operation, Suin till 11. In Thailand, it should actually be called 24 because they don't close. They go full tilt, all day and all night. Thai Suin employees must think all you 9-to-5ers are a bunch of pussies. Back to you.